So I wanted to share this really cool liquid that I have in the lab. It's called ferrofluid. And this ferrofluid is something that becomes very strongly magnetized in the presence of a magnetic field. Ferrofluid is simply these suspended nanoscale particles in a carrier fluid, such as an organic solvent or water. These nanoscale particles are usually iron compounds, such as magnetite or hematite. It's actually the same iron that you can find in beach sand. We also coat those nanoscale particles with a surfactant that will help prevent clumping in that carrier fluid. Now, what's really cool are those spikes and peaks that you're seeing forming, or spikes and valleys that you see forming on that ferrofluid. That occurs because of that strong magnetic field. And this is actually known as normal field instability. And that instability occurs by the fluid creating a shape that minimizes the total energy of the system.